The Heliwoo 125-foot pressure washer hose offers a very long reach, making it easy to clean large driveways, decks, and upper stories without constantly moving the machine. Its steel wire reinforcement and protective outer jacket give the hose a solid, heavy-duty feel that stands up well to frequent use and high-pressure cleaning tasks. The quarter-inch diameter and compatibility with common M22 14mm fittings mean it hooks up smoothly to most household and small commercial pressure washers. Kink-resistant construction keeps water flowing without frustrating stoppages, so you can focus on washing instead of wrestling with a twisted hose. Despite its length, the hose remains surprisingly flexible, so it is straightforward to coil, store, and maneuver around corners, vehicles, and landscaping. Being rated for both hot and cold water at demanding pressures, this hose suits everything from light home chores to tougher shop and job site cleaning.